Got water for days. Here you go.
So what? Wait. Ah! We got halfway there, and then we stopped recording. So we're doing it again. I got wet as well, don't worry. Ow. You bitch. I can't lift it. You got it in my eye. Okay, my turn. I cut my finger. You get the Marky! Grab your property. You don't do that.
We have one last chance at redemption. Together?
You take half of it. Over our heads if we can do it. Okay.
Everything's wet.
Get some water for the dog kisses.
Sammy, I love you. Come here. I'm sorry, Sammy.
Donate to ALS. It's a good cause.
Oh my God! It's so cold! I can't see it. This is colder than the ice. It's so cold.
Get out of the water.
God. Jesus Christ! I've never been this cold in my life. My shoes falling off.
Oh my God.
This is the worst day ever!
Best day ever.